Hi, we put solar panels on the roof, but is there a way to make a roof out of solar panels? Yes, there is. You can choose in-roof, an innovative solar solution which turns solar panels into the main roof and removes metal roofing. Here are 5 reasons why this type of roofing is better than a traditional solar installation. Number 1. Space utilization. Traditionally, panels are mounted on metal sheet. With in-roof, panels themselves become the roof and there is no need for metal sheet. If there was a space on your terrace or ground that you were not using before, now you can turn it into a shaded comfortable spot. The best part is that it will also power your house. Number 2. Efficiency. In-roof accommodates 26% more panels in the same area. The result is higher generation. Since there is no metal sheet beneath the panel, they remain cool and more efficient. You can expect a generation boost of around 10 to 15% with this solution. Number 3. Waterproof. Solar roofs can leak, but in-roof was designed to work as a primary roof. It has a double layer of leak protection which doesn't let a single drop of water seep through even during heavy rainfall. Number 4. Aesthetics. Traditional installations are boring and somewhat ugly looking, but not in-roof. This made in India solar solution is completely seamless and can be adapted to all roof styles and architecture. With in-roof, you are investing in a modern looking sustainable roof. Number 5. Impactful. Metal roofing sheets release tons of carbon dioxide during the manufacturing process. Because in-roof has no or less requirement for sheet roofing, it is more sustainable and impactful than your conventional rooftop solutions. If you are interested in this new innovative technology, schedule a free site visit today to check if in-roof is the right solution for you. And don't forget to follow us for more such videos. Thank you.